Today, our lesson is Java class. What is Java class? Java class is blueprint. What is blueprint? Blueprint means describe something. It just maybe plan or structure. How can we create a class? In your class can have objects and properties. This is based on objects. How can we create a class? Go to your SRC and new Java class. Give a name. I give it name as example 1. While we create a class, we use the class keyword before giving the name. In creating the class, we should use uppercase letters for the first letter. But we can also use simple letters for creating a class. But according to the standard, we should use uppercase letters for the first letter. Properties and behaviors are in the class. Properties mean variables. How can we create variable? I give it as string. My variable type is string. We can type name, numbers as words. String name. Behavior means method. I give it as return, non-return type. We have return type and non-return type methods. I give the method as non-return type. We can create it as using the void keyword. Void display. After the name, give the parenthesis like this. Parenthesis following the curly braces, and you can print something using systemout.println. I give it as hello. Now, how can we access this name and display? If we want to access this, we should create an object in your main method. I will previously use my main method. Without a main method, you can't run anything. Now you should create an object. How can we create an object? You can we use the class name for creating an object. Example 1, object name is X, and use the keyword new. Again, you should give your class name and semicolon. Now you can call the name and display method. How can we do this? We can use x dot display. X dot display can show the result as hello. Run it. Now you can see the result as hello. I assign the value for the name. I give it as Isuri. This is my name. And how can you display it? You can display it, I think we can pass the name dot me. You can't do this, but you can do this. Dot me. You can see your name using this. Via an object, you can access your old methods and variables. Now you can see your name and method. Your method method's result as hello and name as Isuri. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us for more. If you get something from this video, subscribe my channel. Upcoming next, multiple objects.